Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have 4 to the power of x is equals to 8 times of x, and we solve this problem for the values of x, and here we have one condition is that our x should must be an positive integer. This means that we solve this problem for the positive integral values of x. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, all the positive integral roots of this equation, and at the last we will check that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root of the given equation. Also, I can just explain the term extraneous root at the end, so please watch this video at the end. Now here the very first thing we are going to do is here first we move the variable terms into the left hand side. So for this we need to divide both of the sides by x. So when we divide both of the sides by x, it will be written as in this form 8x divided by x. And further in the next step, you see here in the right hand side we have, in the left hand side is 4x divided by x. In the right hand side we have this x is cancelled out by this x, and here we get only 8. And further in the next step we need to focus into the right hand side, and in the right hand side you see here we have 8. And now we will break this 8 as in this form. We write it as 4 times of 2 becomes 8. We'll break this 8 as 4 times of 2, and further in the next step we have this is 4 to the power of x divided by x is equals to here this is 4 times of 2, and now we multiply and divide the right hand side by 2. Okay, so you see here in the right hand side we will just multiply and divide by 2. So here further in the next step you see here we have this is 4 to the power of x divided by x is equals to, here we have this is 4 multiplied by this will becomes here 2 times of 2 is 4, and it is divided by 2. And now further in the next step we need to simplify the right hand side, and it will be written as 4 to the power of x divided by x is equals to, this is 4 multiplied by 4, we write it as 4 square, and it is divided by 2. And now here we need to focus on both of the sides, and now we compare both of the sides. So when we compare the exponents of the numerator terms, then you see here we easily get the value of x is equals to 2, and when we compare the denominators then you see here our x is equals to 2. Okay, so here in the numerator side we again get here x is equals to 2 because this 4 is cancelled out by this 4. So after comparing both of the sides we will get our x is equals to 2. So this is the only one positive integer root of the given equation. So here we need to check that is this root is satisfied our given question statement or not, or in other words we will check that is the solution or extraneous root. So for this we need to verification of the root, and we will first copy down given question statement. Here it is 4 to the power of x is equals to 8x. And now here we need to substitute the value of x is equals to 2 on both of the sides of this equation, and we will check that the behavior of this equation. So when we put this value here it will becomes 4 square is equals to 8 multiplied by 2. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications, and you see here this is 4 square and 4 square becomes 16, and here we again have 8 multiplied by 2, and we know that 8 times of 2 is also becomes here 16. So this shows that the value of x is equals to 2 is satisfied over this given question statement. So we have the solution of the given equation is only one value of x, that is x is equals to 2. So this is our final answer, and here in this question we cannot have any other solution. So now I can just explain the term extraneous root. So you know about that, the roots which satisfied our given question statement is called the extraneous roots, and the roots which is satisfied to the given question statement is called the solution of that given equation. Okay, so here in this question we have only one a positive integer solution. So this is our final answer or final conclusion in this question. Also, I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.